Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's look is going to be a fun glam look. As you can tell, I had so much fun creating this look, and I played with eyeliners, which is something I have been wanting to do on my channel for the longest. And I actually did a poll on Instagram and I said, what look would you like to see, either glam or bright colors, and everyone, well, mostly everyone chose glam. So here it is. I hope you guys like it, and if you want to see how I created this look, then please keep watching. So today I'm going to do a glam look. So I already applied my foundation, which was my go-to, the Fenty Beauty, and I did my eyebrows and I used the $1 Billion Brow Beat Kit, and I really like it. But they sent me this, which was amazing of them, and let's begin. So I always think of the Naked 2 when it comes to glam. For some reason, I love the Naked 2 palette when it comes to glam, because I don't know, these shimmers and the black that, yeah, I have nothing left because this palette actually fell. This color, which is Verve, is my go-to color. I think this is the only palette that I've hit pan like this, because this is the palette that I mostly use. The palette is perfect for a beginner or for somebody who's looking for a palette that a high-end palette that is worth it, that you're gonna use all the time, that you're actually going to be using each and every color. In my opinion, this is a palette that is worth spending the $59 on. So if you don't have the Naked 2 palette, go and get it. If you do, girl, you know what I'm talking about. I'm going to be taking tape today because I want my eyeshadow to look nice and on point. Taping it at the edge of the eye. There we go. Okay, so they look even. Now let's begin. So on the crease, I'm going to start with this brown color, and it's called Tease, as a transition color, and I'm just gonna apply that on the crease and blend that out nicely, and that'll be our guide as well. After that is nicely blended, I'm going to be taking the black color, which is Blackout, from the palette, and I'm going to apply that with a small fluffy brush. And maybe I should have gotten another black color, but let's see if I can get anything out of this one. I got a little something in there. I just don't want to be using too many palettes, you know? One palette is enough. So I'm going to apply that in the outer V, and I went with a little bit, and then I'm going to be, you know, building the color up little by little. So we're just applying that in the outer corner, blending that. Be taking a fluffy brush or a small blending brush and blending that out a bit, because I don't want it too dark. I want it black but not too black. So that's perfect. Put in with the brown color again, which is Tease, and I'm going to be darkening that area a little tiny bit more, and I'm going to be taking a fluffy brush, and this is my Sigma E25 brush, and this is a blending brush, and it's one of my favorites by Sigma. So I'm just going to be blending that out a little more with the brown. I'm bringing the brown as well upwards towards the crease, and then I'm blending the black as well. And I'm bringing that over and blending that as well to the inner corner. That way you have it nice and blended. And that's how it should look. Then I'm going to be taking the same brush that I use, which is the little fluffy one, and taking the black again and just darkening that area one more time. Just if we lost any color, we'll just adding it back in very lightly. After I do that, I'm going to be taking Busted, and it's this dark shimmer color, and I'm going to be taking a small BX80 brush by Revolution, and I'm going to be applying that right next to the black, just on the lid though. And I'm just dabbing that lightly onto the eyelid. And those two colors will blend together so it doesn't look too harsh. They're meeting right in the middle, even though it looks black as well, but you just want to darken that area a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to be taking concealer, and I'm just going to be doing like a half cut crease. And I'm taking a concealer brush, and this is the Luxe 211. Okay, so you want to pat it out so it becomes nice and tacky, blend it out. You can use your finger as well, just so that it can become nice and tacky, so that when you apply the eyeshadow, it goes on nice and smoothly. Verve, which is my favorite, as you can tell, my favorite color of the palette, and it's a nice like shimmer silver. And I'm going to be taking my Revolution brush again, and I'm going to be using my Color Switch Solo. I don't know if you guys seen this on my channel, but this is by Veramona, and this is so good. It's an instant brush cleaner, so you can switch your eyeshadows. So since I use a darker brown, I'm going to be just cleaning that out a bit. And now I can go in with the silver color, and I don't mess up my eye look. That's so amazing, right? She's such a smart woman for that. So I'm going to be applying that just in the beginning of the eye. And girl, that color is so beautiful. I love it. I'm going to be taking this e.l.f. No, this is not e.l.f. This is Modern Minerals You Are Gorgeous brush. I don't know. I'm going to be taking the black color again. So above, like in the crease above what we blended or what we did. Just so that it can look nice and sharp. So I'm even going over the silver. I'm going to take my fluffy pencil brush by Morphe, and I'm just going to blend that out. So now I'm going to be highlighting the brow, and I'm actually using the Becca Pro Checo Pop. When I think of glam, I think of this highlighter automatically, or any Becca Cosmetics highlighter, because they're so like glamorous and luxurious. So that's why I'm using this highlighter, and I'm just gonna apply that on the brow bone. Today I'm going to be actually applying silver eyeliner because I want to do something different. I feel like everyone, when they think of glam, they automatically go with a black eyeliner. So I'm going to go in with this diamond glitter eyeliner, and I bought these on Amazon because I wanted to incorporate glitter looks and bright colors and stuff like that into my looks. So let's go in with the silver eyeliner. So I'm just gonna do a simple wing. So after I did this eye, I figured this is a glam look, so we're gonna glam it up. And I'm really digging this silver eyeliner. I don't know about you guys, but I'm really liking it. It actually made the look pop. So I'm actually going to take another glitter eyeliner. Just going to be applying this on top of the the half cut crease. So let's see how this looks. I hope I don't mess the look up. If you have eye folds like me, you want to do it above the eye fold. So you just want to look like, I'm not even gonna try to move my mouth here. You just want to look regular above the fold. Okay, so it looks cute. I like it. Now that that's done, I'm going to remove the tape, and the eyeliner looks perfect. I have a little bit of eyeshadows going on here, extra eyeshadows, but that's okay because we're gonna cover that with concealer. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with concealer using my Revolution concealer. In the concealer, I'm going to go in with my banana powder. So I'm just going to be applying that underneath the eyes, and I'll be using this to bake. Okay, so for the bottom of the eyes, I'm going to be taking a small brush and the black color. And I'm going to be applying that close to the waterline. So it looks a little messy, but we're going to go in with a fluffy brush and then the brown color and blend that out. For the waterline, I'm going to be using a black eyeliner. And this is by Vintage Cosmetics, and I'm just going to be applying that on the waterline. I'm going to go in the inner corner with the Becca Cosmetics again. Apply that in the inner corner of the eye. So we can brighten that up and make the eye pop. For bronzer, I'm going to be using my favorite, which is the Mineral Glow by Pure Cosmetics, and I'm going to be applying that on the cheeks. For blush, I'm going to be using the Pretty Vulgar blush, and it's a nice peachy neutral color. I'm just taking a little small angled brush, fluffy brush, and applying that on the cheeks, just on the apples of my cheeks, and then I'll bring it back a little bit, but mainly on the apples of my cheeks. So then I'm going to go in with my Prosecco Pop again and apply that on the cheeks. And I love this highlighter. Look at how that pops on the nose and on top of the brow. I wanted to go in with a more bold lippy for some reason. I don't know, when I think of glam, I think of glam all the way, and all the way it means a bold lippy. Oh, I'm looking for my lip mask, so I'm gonna apply a lip mask, and this is the Lick Lips lip mask. I love the way that feels on the lips. It makes your lips so smooth. And then I'm going to be applying Beat It by Lime Crime, and it's this nice berry color. It's like cranberry-ish. Well, it's what it says. It's beet. You know, beat it. So it's like a beet color. And I'm just gonna apply this all over the lips. So that's the lip color. So here's the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like it, and I hope this is what you were expecting when you thought of a glam look. And thank you so much for choosing this look. I'll see you next time.